We are about to test two holders we received from a customer complaining that it doesn't hold the monitor. Now, the basic MA articulated arm made by Noga is designed and based on the three major joints with one central locking in the middle, where in the middle between the two arms there is one washer that look like this. These two looks pretty much the same, but one of them is black oxide finish with high friction, and the other one is black tea finish with lower friction. Now, those two arms have, this one have the black tea, which is with a lower friction, and this one has the black oxide with a higher friction. We supplied actually both washers, where the black tea washer, the one with less friction, was in a plastic bag. Now, normally the arms are designed to hold in the fully extended position, like this, a force of 10 kilos here at the end. Normally, if I apply the force on this here, the lower ball joint will break first at about 8 to 10 kilos. What happened in this one now is I apply the force, but as you can see, the central joint is breaking first, and this happened at about, well, this case was quite nice, it was about 10 kilos, but normally, maybe because I tight it very hard, but normally if I tight it normally, I will do it again, we'll tight it not that hard, it will probably hold less. Only 5 kilos. On the other hand, this arm with a better friction washer, I will hold the monitor. The monitor is just over 4 kilos, and it has no problem, the arm has no problem to hold it in its fully extended position. And if I try to test how much power it takes, I add another 2 kilos before it goes down, but again it doesn't break in the center, but it breaks here in the ball. Now, this position is not very likely to have. Normally we would have the monitor more in a position like that, where there is actually no force on the basic lower ball, and all of the force is on the central joint. And in this position I can apply another 10 kilos easily before it breaks. It means that the weight of the monitor itself, and then another 12 kilos, as you can see here, and it has no problem to hold the monitor. So in fact, what we see is that we don't see any of the problem that the customer was complaining about, as the holder takes the monitor easily in any position, either in the fully extended position or in a more likely situation like I showed before.